There's a different kind of fulfillment that comes with relishing a piping hot plate of Chole-Chawal on a lazy afternoon. It's just blissful. But what comes after that though is the opposite of bliss. Yikes! The bloating. Imagine being at your workplace with a bloated belly or hanging out with people with that discomfort in your belly. Not the best scenario, right? But guess what? There are a few expert-approved solutions to help you with the bloating. Because why should we ever have to sacrifice that beautiful plate of comfort food? So, according to this dietitian on Instagram, mid-meal buttermilk or chas is what you need to counter this common issue. Buttermilk contains healthy bacteria which enhances gut health, and we too highly recommend this as a summer drink instead of drinking cold drinks or sugary fruit juices. This will surely make your tummy happy and keep that protruding belly away. Next, she recommends a glass of ginger tea. Actually, ginger tea stimulates the secretion of digestive juices and enzymes that improve digestion, and the recipe is also very simple. Just add half an inch of ginger in 200 ml of warm water, and remember to drink this 10 minutes before your meal. Then comes a combination of fennel seeds and jaggery post-meal, which tastes great and improves gut mobility and digestion. But there's one thing you should not do. Don't eat raw salad along with cooked meals, as both of them have different digestion times and can cause indigestion and gas. Well, now those are really simple solutions, isn't it? And we are so sure it will work wonders for you. But have you ever wondered why you feel bloated after having your meals in the first place? Overeating, not chewing properly, drinking sodas with food, and laying down immediately after eating are some of the reasons why you actually feel more bloated than usual. You can actually see a lot of difference if you control your portions, chew your food properly, and walk for 5 to 10 minutes after finishing your meal. And do you know, apart from this, some foods actually cause bloating? Beans like rajma, lentils, wheat, broccoli, and other cruciferous vegetables, rye, barley, and dairy products can actually cause discomfort if not eaten in moderation. We are not saying don't eat them. Just make sure you're not going overboard. And those of you who can't stop gulping down carbonated drinks in this hot weather, let us tell you that they also cause bloating due to the high amounts of carbon dioxide. So we suggest you go for plain water or fruit-flavored water if you don't like the bland taste. So there you go. We hope this helps, and for more such health tips, do subscribe to Shosha.